What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, today's the day we make the final mold for the Ugly Betty project, so let's get to it.
Everything falls into place the minute you leave and give me space. I wanna know how it feels to live and let go without being put in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die. My skin is cold, as is my heart. I'm falling apart with a smile. My bridges are burning, I'm holding the match. I'm ready to fall, will you catch? Dive right into the wild side, until I die. So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder, let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder, so I can be free. So I've come to the conclusion, I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world I'll loathe them, sure they'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours. Cause every piece of road is a little bit of happiness. Every kind of load causes a little bit less regret.
There, and maybe for the next video, while we're messing around with the new stuff coming up for season 2, I might just separate the mold for you guys on the way there. But I don't know, man. It feels so good to finally make the last piece. This puzzle is big, believe me. It's taken a lot of work, and I'm really stoked. And you know, I hope that you guys have learned a little something from it. In case you guys wanted to do your own stuff, you know, it's a lot of fun. It really is. But for video's sake, you know, it was kind of like repetitive. However, we're done. We're finally done. So we're gonna get a little bit of rest today and start fixing up the garage, fixing up this whole area, cleaning it up, making it decent. So that way for our next videos coming up with season 2, everything is set up for what we're going to be doing. As you guys know, there's going to be a lot of welding being done there, and there's a lot of cleaning up to do, trust me. I got to clean up this whole area. I also got to clean up over in the garage, the regular house garage, because I'm actually thinking about building the frame, the chassis for the truck there in the garage. That way I have, you know, all my welding equipment and all that stuff, you know, stored inside, indoors, and we're safer to avoid any, you know, mishaps or anybody coming in and just grabbing it. But yeah, I'm really stoked. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for being here. Today's going to be a short one. You know, I'm going to end it right over here with you guys. Thanks again for following us with the videos. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't, and check us out over on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Cheese. Also Facebook. So give us some love there. We really appreciate everything. Things are moving good. Thank you so much. I love you all, and let the coal roll.